The Lee Pro 420 is our largest capacity pot, holds approximately 20 pounds of metal, and melts in less than 20 minutes. First choice for 6-cavity or 18-cavity bullet mold users. A generous 4 inches of clearance under the spout accepts all brands of bullet molds and sinker molds. Includes mold guide and is adjustable to accurately position any mold for pouring. Features Lee's unique infinite heat control, highly reliable control mounted away from the high heat of the pot. It permits the heater to put out full power until metal is melted. Micro-adjustable flow control valve is conveniently located up front and adjusts instantly with a twist of a screwdriver.